Introducing our Patricia Nash Healing Balm and Leather Rejuvenator. Customers have been asking us for years what to put on their Patricia Nash handbags, and we've always told them to use a warm, soft, wet cloth to wipe off any dirt or dust. We have finally developed two formulas made from the finest all-natural ingredients that we are proud for our customers to use on our leather handbags and accessories. Our Leather Rejuvenator is a natural water-based concoction of vital oils and nutrients designed to bring your worn, full-grain leather to near new condition. We like to use this lotion to clean up any dirt or grime buildup on the leather, keeping it healthy over time. Our leather balm is made with deep conditioning oils and waxes, penetrating the leather, healing and enriching any scratches or worn areas. We like to use this for more intense healing of dry leather patches. We often use the Rejuvenator and the balm together, cleaning first with the Rejuvenator and then applying the balm on top for a nice natural shine. When using either the balm or the Rejuvenator, we recommend testing first in a discreet area with a soft sponge or cloth. Using a small amount, apply in gentle strokes, allow the balm to absorb naturally, then buff off and allow the leather to dry. Now available, Patricia Nash Leather Rejuvenator and Healing Balm.